Anthem Pictures reluctantly presents what is considered to be the worst horror film of all time. Your skin will crawl. Your stomach will turn.
I have to go to the restroom.
Your blood will boil. Dining will never be the same.
It's full cordon bleu.
I never tasted anything so unique.
It's delicious.
Dismemberment. Death.
Oh, man.
Distastefulness.
My hemorrhoids.
Microwave massacre.
This is it, May.
You're a walking contraceptive.
Say, you look so much better in the dark.
I've told you 1,000,000,000, billion, trillion times.
You are what they eat.
I know I'm gonna be sick.
Too many bones.